guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Macy. If you guys don't know me, this is my roommate Peyton. Wait, where'd she go? You'll meet her in a second. She was in my last vlog. But we're at San Diego State right now. I posted my move-in vlog last week, and I said that my dorm tour is next. Took a little bit of a time for me to film, but you know what? We're doing it right now. Sorry it's a bit delayed, but I just want to show you guys my full dorm. We needed some finishing touches, but everything is done except we'll explain what we need in a second. But please enjoy. This is the song that was in my vlog. I came outside to show you guys my dorm, and that's my favorite song. You have to, oh, yeah.
Welcome, sister. Welcome to our crib.
That didn't take any practice at all. That wasn't rehearsed or anything. Okay, let me show you guys what it looks like when you walk in. So you walk in, I'm in like the far most corner. You gotta pose, Peyton. So this is Peyton's side. Would you like to explain anything?
Okay, so
just remember you have to watch this later. Guys, she doesn't like seeing herself on camera.
Yeah. So this wall is not gonna be like this. I have a tapestry coming. It's actually here.
Yeah, it's here, but the front desk lady won't let us check it in yet. But there's a tapestry from Urban that's gonna go right there.
It's gonna be over here. But yeah, this is my side. I have like a little
guys, look how cute.
Went for a very natural vibe.
Aztecs have more fun. She's not wrong. Yeah. It's true. So our whole thing was baskets. Like we have, I'll show you guys later, but you know what? She went for like an earthy, natural blush vibe. Okay. Yeah. So then we go over here, and a lot of people are like, wow, you guys have so many decorations, but I think it's just the baskets that like gives it that illusion, because it's like storage and decorations in one, you feel. But this is our desk. She's got a lamp, mirror that I borrow all the time. I probably need to get one. Then we both have some drawers, her backpack. Okay, I don't even know what's in this fridge right now. So fridge, I don't know if you guys are curious. We have a lot of almond milk.
Mac and cheese spill. I think some cheese came out.
Oh, not a lot. Oh, we have our leftovers from last night. It's her mac and cheese. Look at my leftovers. We just have like cold brew and creamer in here. Nothing too exciting. Here is my leftover acai bowl. Wow, exciting. Do people even care about what's in the fridge? I mean, I would. And then up here is our microwave. The school provided the microwave and the fridge, so I know. Then up here I just have like a protein drink that you can mix with water and some oatmeal. And then our utensils. And so this was all her side, and then it like slowly transitions into my side, which is kind of crazy because we didn't like totally plan this. We kind of just bought our own stuff, then it like flowed just so well. And in here above the microwave I just have some snacks like trail mix and banana chips and stuff like that. This basket up here, it looks cute because there's sunflowers, but it's just like, oh, I forgot. I have like protein bars and tea. But you know, gotta make it look cute. No one would ever guess that that's protein bars because of the sunflowers. See, that's my tip. Just like do random stuff that like makes it look cuter than it actually is. Cute storage is the key. Like that little sunflower thing, you would never guess that that's just a box of snacks, you know? Up here is my really random box. This is where all my popcorn and oatmeal is. Last night we were at the store and Peyton didn't let me buy any more oatmeal because I already have a full box of it. Now it's time for my side. Not much going on, but you know what? We got the pink Himalayan salt lamp. I looked it up and it gives good vibes. Peyton, would you say it gives good vibes?
Oh, totally good.
No, like when you walk in, like there's just something about it, and I think it's because of this. But for real, my manager gave this to me and I like love it. It's super cute right here. Both of these I got from Hobby Lobby. It's just a mason jar with fake sunflowers. Def recommend getting some fake greenery, add some more good vibes to the room. Then, would you like to film my really cute organizer? Got some skincare, school supplies, deodorant, perfume. I'm just really into being versatile. It is everything you can need in a desk. Got another glass full of like random makeup brushes, tweezers. So I got this drawer thing from Target. I didn't have it at first, but I absolutely need it, so definitely recommend getting one. But this is my makeup drawer and like vitamins, and this is like my technology drawer. I just have like headphones and converters, stationery, gum, I don't even know. Here I have these Scrabble blocks that my friend Cass gave me. And on this shelf I also got my Bible, super cute, just chills right here. And you saw me, I got this in my dorm shopping vlog, which I'll also link down below. That was Hobby Lobby. Both of these things were from my room at home. I honestly could not tell you where they're from. but you know, definitely goes with the rustic farm vibe. And this is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I said I'm gonna link everything down below, but I'm just gonna try really hard to find it. And these pillows were mostly HomeGoods. So now I'll just give you an overview of the whole room from this side. And we hung up these lights today. I didn't even show you. They're like these cute little twinkle lights. I got them from World Market. I'll try to link those down below. But just hung them up with command strips. Hey guys, this is our bathroom area. Not much to say about it. No matter how much we clean it, we cannot change this gross yellow color. It's pretty sad. We just have little organizers with our toothpaste. This is super helpful, like it stays off the counter and everything, and it's just our face wash. So my bed's right here just to give perspective, then the sink's right there. And then this door right here leads to the bathroom that we share with our suite mates, but I'm not gonna go in there just because there's really nothing exciting about it. It's just a toilet and a shower, but oh, I didn't even show them my view. My view is like my favorite part about this whole dorm. Also, this is my underneath storage, not much going on there. I think I'm gonna end up needing more, but I keep my hamper there. I brought that from home, so I don't know where it's from, but these are just Target baskets. And here I have like cleaning supplies. This one is just random stuff like command strips, first aid kits, more lights. And then she has like the same exact underneath storage with baskets and everything. I need to show them, oh, that's where she keeps her shoes.
Yeah, I keep them under the bed.
And then I need to show them the biggest thing, the printer. Get a Wi-Fi printer. I did not know how much we would need it, but it comes in clutch like every day. But this is my dresser. And then I really like to put motivational sayings on here and just sayings that mean a lot. So this is today's motivation. I just hope you guys can all really relate to it. You guys saw this in my dorm shopping vlog. Hobby Lobby, $1. Broken, but it's fine. Then I also have this Nutribullet, just super helpful. Some mornings are just running super late. Alright, this is a super cute part of our dorm. Our closets. I know, it's like Better Homes and Gardens. We got some towels and sweatshirts, and this is all stuff that, you know, can't fold. This is it from this side one more time. We have a pretty big room. Oh, I never showed the rug. This is like one of like the biggest things about a room. Everyone loves it. It's from Target. I'll either put the dimensions down below or I'll link it down below. It goes perfectly with everything. No, yeah, it brightens up the room so much because look at this carpet. No, so cute. All right, thank you so much for watching. I don't know if that was helpful or what a normal dorm tour is like. Haven't watched a ton of them, but that's our room. Not much else to it. If we ever update it or deck it out more, I'll do an updated video. As my motivational board says, subscribe. Anything else?
Like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell.
Smash that notification bell. I'm gonna be posting a lot of college videos and you don't want to miss any of them because that would be missing out on my life. Who wants that? I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.